Do you feel self-conscious being on video? Are you struggling to make the meeting you lead interesting and productive? Do coworkers just assume your presentation will be boring? You're going to learn how to overcome all of these challenges and more so that your video communication becomes one of your superpowers. Join me and Ecamm for a 3-part training series. Plus, you can also join a few special sessions for additional support if you want to take your learning up a notch. If we haven't already met, I'm Lorraine K. Lee, and I only started this journey of getting better at video and business communications a few years ago. But in a short time, I've been able to become a keynote speaker and trainer at Fortune 500 organizations and an instructor with LinkedIn Learning and Stanford Continuing Studies. I want to teach you those critical skills that helped me stand out at work and be seen as a leader, all through my virtual interactions. I know all of this can be so nerve-wracking and sometimes uncomfortable, but I'm here to make it approachable and fun. My past students have loved this course, and I am so confident that you will too. I hope to see you soon.